Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Torras Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, you picked up the S23 Ultra and you are looking for some cases to protect your beautiful investment. Look no further. I have 3 cases from a company called Torras. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending me these 3 cases for a review. I have used Torras before with my Galaxy Z Fold 4, and those cases that I used on that device were one of my favorite cases, so I don't expect anything different with the cases here. They was nice enough to send me out 3 different cases. One is called a diamond clear case, the other one is a no slip grip case, and then they sent me out that shockproof case. In this video, we'll go over the feel of each case, we'll look at the fit, we'll make sure you can wireless charge, we'll make sure everything lines up, is it easy to get the pen out, you know, just the normal things you look for in a case video. Does it add bulk to your phone? All the normal stuff. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I'll have the links in the description. But nice presentation from them. Let's start off with, I think this is the clear one. Yes, this is the diamond clear case. Nice packaging. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So this one will show off the beauty of your phone. And it looks like they have protective. So this will show off the beauty of your phone. It is a hard plastic in the back, so that way you can keep your phone in great shape, looking great, and not worry about dropping it. So you get camera protection, as you can tell there. You also get some lip action. You have a little Torras brand in there. Let's see what type of lip action you get. All right, can I slide something underneath it? Yes, you can slide something under there, so you have enough room. The power button feels great. The Vine rockers also feel great. Nice and tactile. The cutouts at the bottom line up. You have enough room. The pen might be the problem here for me, but you can get to the pen pretty easy. I wish they would have come down with the design a little bit more. That would have made it a lot easier. You also have the mic cutout. Look at that. It shows off the beauty of your phone. Man, does it add bulk to it? No. This is definitely not a bulky case. The grip is pretty good too. The overall fit, overall fit is pretty good. Top and bottom, nice and snug. Now, getting this off took a little effort right there. So it fits really good against your phone, which is a great thing. Can you wireless charge? I don't think we'll have a problem. And yes, you can wireless charge with this case. So they are calling this the diamond clear case. Now it's not precisely cut out, but that's okay. I do like this case. It will attract fingerprints though. It will attract fingerprints on the back, so you just have to carry a towel with you, wipe it off. Bam. All right, so let's keep this moving. All right, so here's the box for the shockproof case. Nice packaging, pretty much the same thing. If you want to pause that and read it, you can definitely do so. But let's see what you get in here. You get the case. You have some buttons to change out the color of the buttons, and then yeah, it says let's start a wonderful journey together. Now in this case, will not show off the beauty of your phone, but it does not attract as much fingerprints. The back is also hard to protect your beautiful phone. The buttons are kind of flush though. We're gonna see how that works out. Let's put my phone in there. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You also get the same type of lip action. Again, I won't slam my phone down, but you can tell it definitely is not touching my table. Everything at the bottom lines up. This pen will be easy to get out too, because this case comes down to the frame. They need to do that with the other case. The microphone at the top. Again, the buttons feel, they're nice and tactile, but I wish the buttons were a little bit higher. Maybe if you took out the other ones and changed them out, but they're nice and easy to press. Not bad at all. I also do wish the power button was ridged or something. That probably would help out. Overall fit is pretty good. It is a little bit more loose on the bottom on this case. That's a lot of play there. And it's not as hard to get this one. So this case is not fitting as good as that diamond clear. But it comes up to the curve too. I mean, it still fits pretty good. You still have to take some force, but it's not as good as fitting as that diamond clear one there. I do like this design too. I love how it doesn't attract fingerprints. I mean, this is a nice, it's not adding bulk to your phone either. It has some grip on there too. But what I think about this one, the Shockproof case, I don't think we'll have a problem with wireless charging. No issues there either. So let's keep it moving. Let's get to the last case in this video. All right, so this is called a non-slip case. Same packaging as the Shockproof. Don't have the little button changers on here. But it does say, let's start a wonderful journey together. All right, so this one has extra grip on the back. This is more of a TPU type of case. And more TPU type of case, but there's the power button, the volume rockers. You have extra grip on the sides. Little branding there. I love the little honeycomb patterns. But let's see how this thing fits. This one won't show off the beauty of your phone, but you get a little bit more grip than the other two. You have that same camera protection. Also the same type of lip action in the front. Again, you don't slam your phone down, but if you place it down, your screen is not touching the table there. Everything lines up. You have enough room for the USB Type-C. The pen is easy to get out. The microphone looks good. Power button is nice and tactile. Volume rockers are easy to press. I definitely like it. I like the grip. Like I said earlier in one of my other videos, it's all about grip this year. And this case gives you that grip. Maybe that's why they call it non-slip or extra grip case. Overall fit. Now this one fits a little bit more snug than the Shockproof. And it's a little bit harder to get out of, take your phone out of it. Again, these are not bulky cases. I like this one too. I like this one probably the best. That or the clear one. But I'm definitely liking this case. I'm going to rock with this one for a couple of days. It has the little protection at the corners also. Here's the profile of it. So which one was your favorite? Do you like the grip case? Maybe you do like the shockproof case because hard plastic, or maybe you're more of a clear case person. Y'all let me know. You can get these cases from Amazon. The links will be in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.